Okay, let's talk about the first set of karmic tale. So you could have 1899, 9918, or 9189. So these three combinations would be there in this set of numbers. And when you have this karmic tale in your destiny matrix chart, actually this is one of the most common ones, but at the same time this implies that you come from a history of very deep spiritual metaphysical knowledge. Even some people like to call it the witches karmic tale, because this is a lot to do with hidden knowledge, hidden metaphysical knowledge, hidden scientific knowledge, and a lot of wisdom carried throughout a lot of your past lives. Although when a person has this karmic tale, it usually comes across as an individual who has quite a lot of fears when it comes to expressing the wisdom they already possess. So one of the major tasks for this person would be to unlock their soul's wisdom, because there is a lot that is hidden in your soul, and there is a lot of divine potential that you are carrying from your past life. And you have, in fact, no, you will get a bunch of opportunities and bunch of incidences will happen in your life which will make you feel like you are being pushed into discovering your faith, or finding your faith, or awakening that wisdom on some level. And you will also be triggered into opportunities where you will get a chance to overcome your fears a lot, which would eventually make you unlock the hidden wisdom and the powers that you already possess. This karmic tale also comes with the fear of sharing your wisdom, or feeling like whatever wisdom, even if you do gather a bunch of wisdom in this life, you will be afraid to share it. It's almost as if you let's say got a degree in psychology and something to do with the healing arts, and you excelled in it, and you're adding certificates, you're doing courses, you're doing every little thing there is to know about this field, be it psychology or a healing profession. But at the end of the day, you just sit with yourself and you tell yourself that, why do I need to share my wisdom? Or people don't need my wisdom anyway. There are a bunch of other people also doing the same thing. Why do I need to share my wisdom? But no, this karmic tale is a lot about you overcoming your fears about sharing your wisdom, and it can be in any way, shape, or form, but you have to share the wisdom. But yes, the first step would be awakening the wisdom that you have gained from your previous lives, but that is at the same time dissolving the fear around sharing the wisdom that if you do gain in the present life, if that makes sense. Of course, there's a lot we could go into about your destiny matrix, but this karmic tale, for this particular karmic tale, this is all I have.